Curry rice, oh curry rice. Japanese people loves curry rice. Today we are going to show you how to cook Japanese curry rice. You never screw up. Here is ingredient: chicken 1 pound, Japanese curry mix half box, canned diced tomatoes 28 ounces, potatoes 2 pieces, onions 1 pieces, garlic 2 cloves, minced ginger 1 ounce. Let's cut chicken. You can cut the chicken as you like. 1 bite size would be nice. Just keep cutting. Next is onion. Cut in half and cut it like this. Don't think, just feel it. Peeling potatoes. This peeler is what I bought in Japan. If you go to Asian market, you can find it. It won't hurt you. Many people says it is pretty hard to cook Japanese curry. It could be very soapy, but they wanted to make it much thick. No worries. If you follow this recipe, you never fail. Wash potatoes. You can smash garlic with side of knife. You can do it on your way to mince garlic. This video is easy cooking. There's no strict rule. Take it easy. For minced ginger, peel ginger skin by cutting like this. Because it is much faster, alright, it is ready to cook. Now everything has been ready. Let's review what you got for the curry. Chicken, diced tomatoes, minced garlic and ginger, cut onion and potatoes, and a Japanese curry mix. Here is a great tip for this shortcut. Just cover the potato with wrap and heat it up in the microwave for 3 minutes. It gets tender easily. be careful, it is really hot. Make sure you get gloves so that it won't burn your hand. See, it is tender enough for curry rice. Now look at a Japanese curry mix.
Japanese curry mix.
Open the box. As you can see, there is 2 packs here. Each pack contains 4 blocks of curry roux. Here are a couple of selections from Japanese curry mix. Vermint curry, kokumaro curry, Jawa curry, and golden curry. You can buy golden curry Target online at $3, or Asia Market is probably cheapest. You can find them in Walmart but seem a little bit expensive. Heat up the pot, olive oil, and garlic ginger. Heat them up until good smell comes out from ginger and garlic. Add onion, stir it for a while. While I am stirring onions, would you subscribe our channel? We are posting many easy Japanese food recipes. Hope you like it. Alright, now let's add chicken. You can seasoning with salt and pepper if you like. Stir it for a while. Add potatoes. Add diced tomatoes. You don't want to mix it too much since potatoes are tender enough. So let's leave it and put lid on the top. After 15 minutes. See? There's a lot of juice from vegetables and tomatoes. We actually don't add water. Juice from vegetables and curry mix will make rich and thick curry soup. add 4 blocks of curry mix. Gently stir it in the pot. It is ready now. Wow, smells super good.
If you ask Japanese kids, what's your favorite food?
85% of kids will answer curry rice. You will see the reason behind of it. For your information, you can save curry for tomorrow. And you can also freeze it so that you can keep it for next week. Thank you so much for watching the video. We are going to upload many simple, quick, easy food videos. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and give thumbs up. Make sure to leave comments as well. I'll see you in the next cook. Bye!